What's going on, guys? Back here with another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about another EV related company, Microvast, and how they are going public and if you should invest in them. Now, before we get started in this video, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment because it really helps my channel grow, and I'll be posting more videos like this in the future. Now, in the previous video, I talked about the company Nuve and how it's also merging with another company and how this is going to be huge to the market. Now, I found another SPAC which is merging with Microvast, which is the ticker symbol THCB, and I'll get more into what it's doing right now. But before I get to do that, I want to just explain what Microvast is and how it's actually related to the EV world. To start, Microvast focuses on making batteries for electric vehicles. This means that Microvast SPAC merger is already incredibly interesting, especially as investors have focused heavily on electric car stocks in 2020. Additionally, Microvast intends to electrify city transit through gradually introducing battery systems to buses, taxis, passenger vans, and by rolling out charging networks. However, it is also important to note that Microvast does already have an existing business. It has already delivered its batteries for a variety of uses, and it will bring in about $100 million in revenue this year. This sets it apart from some of the other SPAC deals we have seen in 2020. So this company is already fully functional, it already has incredible sales, and they are just looking to become public. The reason why this is different from other SPAC companies is because we've seen companies such as Nikola, which was a total fraud, IPO'd, and that was just a horrible mess because they didn't actually have an established business or an established product. However, Microvast is already delivering these batteries to, as you can see, electric city buses, electric taxis, and e-passenger vans. They are also developing their own charging network. So this is just another one of those EV companies that are going to benefit in the future. We're already starting to see these electric taxis that are being supplied in big cities and also electric city buses. Now let's look at their records of what they've actually accomplished already. They're in 19 countries, 170 cities, 35,000 systems in operations, and already 40 plus billion kilometers operating mileage. This is huge, and notice where the main area is. It's in Europe. Electric vehicles have started to explode in Europe. Notice how we don't have too many in America right now. They're mainly in Europe. But guys, this is the interesting thing about all of these electric vehicle companies. They're not popular in America right now, but just imagine when they do. The United States is a huge market for this. We have a lot of big cities such as New York, Houston, Los Angeles, all of these huge cities. Just imagine when Microvast expands to those and they get contracts for those cities. This company is just going to explode in the upcoming future when electric vehicles become more increasingly used in our world. Now they also have a bunch of other things that you can look at on their website. They explain how their batteries work, their technology. They have the cell, the module, the actual battery system. So if you want to look at and really dive into the engineering and the technology behind their product, you can go on their website, microvast.com, and actually look at this. Now, the other part of this video I want to talk about is the actual merger that's happening. So once again, this is a SPAC company. It doesn't have a whole lot of trading just because these type of companies are solely made because of this reason over here. They're made to raise money to merge with other companies. So we IPO'd back with this company around the same $10 mark as the other one I mentioned in Nuve. Now, this one, like with Nuve, has recently seen a huge shot up. We hit highs of $12, and right now we're trading at $11.48. So this is actually cheaper than the Nuve merger that I talked about. So if you want to get in this one instead, because this is a little cheaper, then that's totally fine as well. Now, one thing to note with this though, that once this merge does happen, the ticker symbol is most likely changing, and that it will change to something similar to Microvast. This typically happens when these companies merge together. So I will bring you updated news of what this ticker actually looks like when this merger does happen and Microvast does become public. But I just wanted to make you all aware of this another EV company in the EV sector that is doing amazing things already. Like I said in the beginning, something that separates this from other EV companies is that they already have a proven track record and that they are already profitable. They had $100 million in revenue in just this a year alone. That's not accounting what's going to happen in the future. They're just going to continue to grow and grow as EV cars are becoming more and more popular throughout the world. And like I said, if you are interested in buying this right now, it is cheap, and I'm probably consider buying some myself, and this is most likely going to be a long-term hold because these EVs will not become popular, in the next year. It's something that you want to hold on to because by 2025, 2030, we'll most likely have that smooth transition over to EV cars. Now, that's when these companies will just see this humongous uptrend. So if you're looking to get in it, once again, the symbol is THCB, and I will keep you all updated on this news as the story develops. Now, if you are interested, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment on this video because I will be posting new news regarding this company and other EV companies in the future. Once again, thank you for tuning in this video, and I will see y'all in the next.